Hello friends, I am twirling through Bookstagrammer. Do check the link for my Insta page given in the description box. Once again I am here with my new video, and in this video I am going to review a book, The Four Winds by Christine Hanna. And if you like the content, do subscribe, like and comment. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Now, I'll start with the plot first of all. Elsa Walcott, born to a rich family, spends her life in solitude. Her family always reminds her that she is very fragile and she always falls sick, and she is very prone to sickness basically. And they always keep her very aloof. She always stays alone. She is not allowed to go out of the house or roam here and there so that she doesn't fall sick. This loneliness attracts Elsa towards an Italian guy, Rafe, who is born to a farmer family. When Elsa's family comes to know about Rafe, they leave her at his place and disown her. Elsa is married to Rafe. Now, though initially the in-laws and the family, they did not accept her because she was entirely new for them. They were not aware of from where she belongs, what kind of person she is. But slowly and slowly, Elsa is able to win everyone's heart with her hard work and dedication. And the Martinelli family finally accepts her wholeheartedly, and she becomes Elsa Martinelli, wife of Rafe Martinelli. The time passes on, everything goes on very nicely, but everything goes on very nicely. She is blessed with two children, daughter Loretta and Saint Anthony. But in 1930, whole of the Texas is under the grip of drought and dust storms. The fields get barren and the people are forced to leave their land and move out of Texas for their survival. Martinelli family also fights against each and every odd. They fight against Mother Nature and try to save their land, save their cattle, and try to grow a little bit of wheat so that they can feed their family. But it becomes, as the time passes on, it becomes very difficult for them. What Elsa will do now? Will she leave Texas and move ahead in her life? Will she be able to feed her children? Will she be able to take proper care of her children? What exactly she will do now? So, to know all these things, you will have to read The Four Winds by Christine Hanna. Now let's talk about the positive aspects of the book. Well, the book is one of the best books I have read in recent times as far as the content is considered. The author has described the character of Elsa in an very, in an astonishing way. It's a like very strong character. Elsa, who was basically very introvert, very delicate, timid, fragile, turns out to be a fighter who is strong enough to fight against whole world for her family. She's tough, she's brave, kind-hearted and a true fighter. In the form of Elsa, the author has created a character which will remind you of many famous leaders and fighters who have always believed in their inner strength. You know, Elsa is one such character which not only earns love from the readers but also respect, and she will be remembered. She'll be always remembered. Second thing which I like is the description of drought of Texas and the dust storms. You know, the author has the way the drought has been described, the dust storms, like when the dust storm comes. The description is in such a way she has done that you feel that you are there only. The pain and agony and the frustration of the characters, everything seems to be your own. And like while reading the book, you don't even realize when their pain becomes yours, and you are totally into that area, into that era where everything you feel like, oh my God, what will happen if such kind of things happen in your life also. So this is something which is like very mesmerizing. The creating that feel is something like you get goosebumps while you read this book. And one more thing which I will definitely mention is that it's not only about Elsa, it's about all the characters, like her children, her husband, her in-laws. Everyone is defined in a very proper way. Definitely it's defined minutely with proper detailings. Each and every character it's not that it is left unfinished. No, every character has a significant role. They are a part of Elsa's family or her friends, whosoever is. Everything is very finely, very neatly described, and is a part of story. Well, after positive aspect, I will come to the negative aspect. Honestly speaking, it's difficult to find anything negative about this book, except few scenes which I felt that they were like repeated again and again. They could have been trimmed or edited. Apart from that, this book is a masterpiece, not to be missed. Don't miss it, guys. Go for it, read it. I can guarantee you will love this one. The content is amazing. I have given a 5-star rating to this book. Why 5-star rating? Why not 4? Okay, I have given this book a 5-star rating because it's not a simple story. It's not a simple story of struggle of Elsa's life. It's a story of each and every one of us. While reading, I felt that in our life, many times we are standing at such kind of crossroads where we have to choose one option, and that option is something which we never want to go for, but we are left with no other choice, and then we have to choose that option just to think, like to survive or to proceed ahead, move ahead in life. Same happens with Elsa. She also has to choose something which she never wanted to do, but she's forced by the circumstances to save her family, to save her children. She has to choose that option which she never wanted to, but she had a faith and belief in her heart. And similarly, I think like it's true, it sounds bookish that what hope and faith or belief will do, but I think hope and belief is something which can turn anything upside down. In a single line, this book is a story of a mother who nurtures beautiful dreams for her children, and she wants to fulfill those dreams. She wants to make her children happy, but but when when the circumstances change, and when the fate wants to crush her dreams, take everything away from her, she takes a stand, she stands for her family and snatches everything away from the claws of cruel fate. This book is a true tribute to motherhood. It's a must read for each and every mother. You should read this one. Don't miss it, guys. Again and again, I'm repeating this thing. You should not miss this one. It's a must read for each and every one. Okay, now I will talk about audience, what kind of people they should read it. Well, firstly, the people with a very weak heart, they should not read it. Or the people who can't take crying, they should not read it, because I cried a lot. I cried a lot while reading this one, because there are such heartbreaking scenes. It's like I can't tell you here because I don't want to give any kind of spoiler, but yeah, it will make you cry. It will make you and because because the story touches your heart, that's why the tears come out automatically. That is the best part about the book. The author has created such a character which touches your heart, and you can feel her pain. That's why you cry. Otherwise, why would anyone cry? Why don't you cry in each and every book? You don't cry in each and every book because some characters, they are so live that they make you cry. So those who can take crying, they can read this book. Otherwise, this book is meant for each and everyone. This is one of the best books by Christine Hanna. I love Christine Hanna. I have read many books by Christine Hanna. This is again one of the book which has not disappointed me, and I love this book, and this is going to be one of my favorite, and the character Elsa will be always remembered by me. So guys, don't miss it. Read, this book is meant for each and everyone. So this was about The Four Winds by Christine Hanna. If you like the content, do subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.